Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sabrina and I mostly do content on my channel about travel, fashion, and lifestyle. So since I will be sporting a shaved head from this diagnosis of alopecia, it's only natural that I will be on the hunt for cute earrings and learning how to do head wraps. I've always loved wearing earrings. I like really whimsical style earrings, so I decided to start a collection. This is me here showing off my small collection. And I'm sporting this head wrap that could be done a little better, but I'm learning. Anyway, there's something about wearing head scarves and a beautiful earring. I feel like royalty. It shows all your features, every curve, imperfections, all the scars, the bumps, the discoloration, and a big focus on your eyes, isn't it? It's like when I look in the mirror, I'm seeing me for the first time. Anyway, guys, what do you think about my headscarves and earrings? How do I look? Did you guys also develop a new love affair with headscarf and earrings? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and please give this video a thumbs up. Peace out.